Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association leader Andreas Matibela has been targeted by the state for criticizing President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Zanabula mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa ma-CIO onzotagedza another war veteran leader panguva ino patiri kuona kuti aiwa the crisis and chaos nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino tioona communal the regime ava vachirambira varipo on to power kunyangwe aiwa vanhu vari kuisa macalls kuti varesign and uri subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina muZimbabwe ndonyora chiti Matibela has been placed under surveillance by the Joint Operation Command JOC, which has issued a cut and arrest directive to the police. JOC, which comprises the CIO, Police, Army, Air Force, and prisons, is widely known for its role in the surveillance, abduction, and disappearance of anti-ZANU-PF citizens under the guise of protecting national security. Sources reveal that the security cluster operating through the Central Intelligence Organization CIO is instructed border officials in the Plumtree border post to alert the police if they spot Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association leader Andreas Matibela attempting to leave the country. Matibela, like Blessed Geza, who is now in exile, has been vocal in the criticism of President Emmerson Mnangagwa demanding his resignation. Newsday has established that Matibela has been placed on a government watch list. A leaked letter from the Presidency Department addressed to the regional immigration officer at Plumtree reads, Tomashwa muda panapa chinokunzi aiwa mukomana uyu aiwa panguva inoyi panguva iri kuzikanwa kunzi ari kushayikwa asi kuzikanwa kuti ari kupi aiwa ari kutsvakiwa zvakanyanyisa nokuda kwekutitisisa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe pamwe neleadership yake. In the morning tanzoona Servius Kasukwere again vaitaura pamusoro paMatibela vachitaura vachiti aiwa haasi kuzikanwa mawhereabouts ake is gone missing after security forces asvika at his home state. Now avachazivi kuti ari kupi. Tunze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.